Hi there, I am Sophia, and in this video I am going to show you how you can hide desktop icons on Windows laptop or PC. So the first step is to go on your desktop and right click. Then hover over on the option View and scroll down to the option Show Desktop Icons. Right now you can see that the option is checked off. That's why you are seeing the desktop icons. But if you click it, it will uncheck and all the desktop icons will hide. Hiding desktop icons can be useful if you are doing a presentation or you simply want to keep your screen clean and clutter-free. Now you can continue using your laptop or PC without the desktop icons showing on your screen. One tip is that you can pin your frequently used apps or files in the Start menu. That way it is easy for you to access them quickly. You can see that I have pinned some of my frequently used apps on the right-hand side. But if you want to unhide your desktop icons again, simply repeat the process. Right-click, go to View, and check the option Show Desktop Icons, and all the desktop icons will appear again. And this is how you can hide or unhide your desktop icons on Windows. Now, what if you want to hide a specific icon? Well, there is a method for that also. It does involve a few more steps, but it's pretty simple. So right-click on the icon that you want to hide and scroll down to the Properties. This window pops up. Here we are on the General tab. At the bottom, check the option Hidden. Then click on Apply and then OK. You can see that the icon is gone now. It didn't get deleted, it still exists, it's just not visible on our desktop screen right now. Now, since the icon is not visible, I don't have a way to right-click on it and bring it back. So what we do is, we go to our File Explorer by pressing the Windows button plus E. And this is our File Explorer. So on the menu bar, go to View, and then on the right-hand side in the ribbon, choose Options. This window pops up again. Go to View. Here you can see that this option is selected, which says Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drive. I will choose this option which says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Then I click on Apply and then OK. Now if I look at my desktop, I do see the hidden icon and it appears translucent. Now I can right-click on it, go to Properties, and then uncheck Hidden, Apply, and press OK. And there you go. The icon that was hidden, I can see it on my desktop screen again. This is how you can hide or unhide specific icons also on your desktop screen. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.